Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is going to be a reset type of day because your girl has been traveling. I literally been traveling like a whole month, and y'all seen the Barbados vlog. Y'all haven't seen my other trip vlog because I'm not sure if I really want to edit that, to be honest, but y'all gonna get it when it's time, because that one's more like a work trip and it's a lot of like confidential things in there. But when it's time for me to like expose and like show you guys, I'm gonna show you guys. So I've been traveling for a whole month, and my room has been, well, my room just got a mess because as soon as I got back, I had to do the fashion show that y'all just seen already. I had to do so many other things. So my vanity has been a mess. My closet has slightly been a mess, and I just want to clean up my space, like deep detail clean. Also clean my bathroom, clean my room, clean my closet, and just get my life together. So this is what this video is about. Yeah, let's get right into it. And we are going to clean this room together. Like, what was I thinking? That's how you know I was living off of my travel stuff, because this was my makeup stuff. Plus that. wondering like, how did you put on makeup? What's going on? So in the middle of filming, I had an appointment to go out with my friend, and I was literally in the middle of recording. So what I did was I got ready, and I was like, you know, when I come back, I'm gonna just finish cleaning up my room, which is why earlier in the daytime I was just chilling. Now I got a slight beat face on. So we finished my vanity. Now we're making my bed. I usually make my bed before I leave the house, but I wanted to record it for you guys. That is honestly why my bed is not made. But this, oof, I want to get inside new sheets, you know, take my nice shower, have a nice bed to hop on. Ooh, the color is black. I had navy blue last time. No, I had gray last time, not navy blue. So this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh. Nah, this is so cute. I don't want to put this on the floor, so let's put this on the bed. They said this was satin, but it's actually cotton. They lied. That's better for me, cause I don't want satin no more. So it's actually cotton sheets, not satin sheets, as I thought. you guys, I am done. Look at my vanity. Super, super, super clean. Everything is organized. And the table, my work desk, my bed is dressed. Sheets are changed. Everything is nice. The floor is swept properly. This side is clean. Ow, this side is clean. Let me show you guys my closet. My closet has been swept, has been clean and organized, so yeah. So now this is my favorite part. When I usually clean my room when I have flowers, I like to do them at the end so I can add a little touch to my room, in my bathroom, the sitting area, whatever. So my man got me some flowers. So pretty, so cute. These roses look so cute. We're gonna put them in a vase. So we got these two, already watered them up. Plus we got the food and stuff. So I usually like to take one. I just put like one in each. Okay, so I can see, I don't see how short I want them. I think I want this one like really short. I usually take one flower and I just like stir it up. And I think I want them this short. So I just cut them on the side. Let's see. Yeah, this shirt is perfect. Okay, you guys, I put my flowers up here, give it a little vibe for the room. I decided to clean the bathroom because I was like, I don't think I have time tomorrow, and I need to do it today. So clean the bathroom with me. Shouldn't really take that long because my bathroom's not really dirty. So let's just do some cleanup for the week. Let's get right into it. We're gonna change all of this stuff. Bathroom is super clean. I am super tired. It is like 9 something in the nighttime. I literally didn't think I was going to clean my bathroom today. I was just gonna take off the flowers and call it a night and do it tomorrow, like my bathroom tomorrow. But I was like, no, I might as well clean everything today. So I am officially done. I'm about to take off my makeup, take a shower, go to sleep. Thank you guys so much for watching to the very end of this video. I love you guys so much. And I hope you enjoyed this reset day where you just clean your space. Hopefully this video encouraged somebody, you know, to just clean your space. Sometimes your mind is not as cluttered as you think. Just clean your space. I feel like you're going to get a whole lot of space in your head. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!